Introducing the Phoenix 2.0 Ionizing Blower, engineered by Simco-Ion for powerful, reliable, and efficient static control across a wide range of industrial environments. With its aerodynamically optimized design, the Phoenix 2.0 delivers rapid static neutralization across extended areas, ensuring cleaner, safer, and more efficient operations. Whether it's packaging, injection molding, converting, or clean room environments, the Phoenix 2.0 provides the flexibility and reach to neutralize static wherever it occurs. Every detail is built for usability and reliability. The Phoenix 2.0 features front-mounted controls for visibility, integrated alarm and standby modes, and global IEC power compatibility. Maintenance is effortless with a built-in brush cleaner and quick-release grill design. And with its 360-degree rotation and Allen key adjustments, installation has never been more flexible. Designed for maximum performance, the Phoenix 2.0 delivers up to 360 CFM of airflow and static decay times as fast as half a second. It's efficient, quiet, and balanced to within plus or minus 50 volts, meeting the demands of precision applications. The Phoenix 2.0 Ionizing Blower, redesigned for the modern production line. Smarter, stronger, Simco-Ion.